Hello children, how are you all? I welcome you once again in Kindergarten Play School. So my dear children, today I am going to teach you how to write standing line and sleeping line. Okay, today I am going to teach you how to write standing line and sleeping line. So my dear children, are you ready to write? Then come on. Standing line. Make dots. These dots are for standing line. So put your pencil point here and trace down. Okay? Trace down. Again, trace down. Trace down. Trace down. So children, this is standing line. Now sleeping line. Dots done. Now sleeping line. Put your pencil point up to here and trace the line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Okay dear children, this all sleeping line. Now come here. Standing line. See, we done standing line. Okay, standing line. You have to write in your 4-line notebook. You have to do practice in 4-line notebook. So in 4-line notebook, make dots and do practice of standing line and sleeping line. So my dear children, in this video, standing line and sleeping line, I'm teaching you, so do practice, and we will meet you in next video with many more writing pattern and so many things. Till then my dear children, God bless you. Take care. Bye.